Okay, so to continue for our AutoCAD subject, for exercise number 3, we are going to draw truss diagrams, okay? So these are the samples. You will not be submitting similar to my truss diagrams, but you will be sketching your own and converting them into a computer-aided drawing, okay? So first, let's start with the first diagram. Let us identify first the different measurements for the first one. So this one has a total of 10 for the bottom member. Okay, and then it has a height of 2 2 meters. Okay, and then we're going to identify, or we're going to launch uh, this top chord later. Okay, so we're going to use line first. Okay, so I will be typing letter L for line. L, enter. My snap tracking is on, so track ko lang siya dito banda. Okay. Or maybe somewhere here. Yan. We're going to start sa bandang taas. Medyo layo ko ng konti para di siya mag-overlap. We're going to use direct distance entry. So make sure that your ortho is on because we need straight lines. So 1, and this is 2. So again, guide your cursor lower down, then type the amount of 2, enter, and going to left, so that is 5. Again, make sure ortho is on. You guide your cursor here, type the amount of 5, enter, and there you go. So we can just click this with our object snap endpoint. As long as naka-on si osnap, you can click this one, or per line command, as long as nakapag-produce ka ng dalawang segments, you can already close it to form a 3-segment line object, okay? So I will be clicking close, and there you go, okay? Next, we have the web members. So let us get the offset distance. So this is 1 and 2 again, that is DI for distance command. So that is 1. And I believe the others are 1 also. Okay? So what we're going to do is to offset this line. O, enter. So specify offset distance. Just type 1, enter. Select object to offset. Select this object. And then specify point on side to offset. So dito po tayo magpipick. Okay? Kasi pwede siyang sa kanan, pwede siyang sa kaliwa. So pakaliwa po tayo. And then we will be doing offset around 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since marami siya, we will be using the multiple option. Okay? So select multiple and click dito banda. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And enter. To terminate the command, press another enter. Okay? We don't need the excess lines, so might as well type TR, enter. And again, if you are using lower version, you have to press trim twice para mag-cut po siya ng ganitong mode. Okay? So enter. Next, we're going to connect the endpoints from here going there for our diagonal web members. Okay, so we're just going to pan. So that's L, enter. So you pick from here 1 and 2, enter. L, enter. So you click 1 and another point, enter. L, enter. 1 and 2, enter. And enter to repeat your previous command, which was line. So you click here and here, enter. Okay, you can use your spacebar as enter key. In AutoCAD, the spacebar works as an enter key also, except for text objects and text commands. Spacebar talaga siya. Anyway, so to create a reverse duplicate of this one, to produce this diagram, we're going to use the command mirror. Okay? So for mirror, that is MI, enter. So select objects. Again, you have two options. It's either you're going to use the window selection, wherein you're going to pick a point and drag it lower, right? So make sure that objects that you want to be selected are fully enclosed by the selection area, or you pick from here going lower right or lower left, sorry. Okay, basta tinamaan yung object, automatic po selected siya. Okay? So click, enter. Specify first point of mirror line. So this is our first point and this is our second point, okay? So we're going to pick this, and after picking the first point, you are prompted to select the second point of mirror line. So this is the point, okay? And array source object, if you type no, this is the outcome. If you type yes, the outcome is the flip version, and this one, the original object that we copied or we mirrored earlier, will be deleted. Anyway, we need the enter thing, so just type N for no, or just press enter to accept no. So this is our truss diagram. Okay? Uh, I'm going to cancel my last action and I'm going to type MI, enter, do the same selection. Once you're done selecting, press enter. First point, I will not be picking this. Instead, I will be picking somewhere here and another one here. So you see the outcome? If I pick my mirror line there, even the distance from the mirror line to the object, it's symmetrical, inversely symmetrical. Okay? So enter. So this is the outcome, but we don't need this one. What we need is the previous one. Okay? So this is 1 and this is 2. Enter. Okay? Next will be this one. Similar, we're going to create line. We're going to trim. We're going to mirror them also. Okay? So let's see. So this one has a distance of 1.5 and this one is 5.6 and this one is, okay, that's 0.86, or I guess it's 0.90. Wait, double check. It's really 0.86. Okay, so the other one also. Okay, let's do it on the right side naman this time. Okay, so again 5.6 and 0.86. Okay, so that's L, enter. Maybe I can use OSNAP tracking, so they have the same center or symmetric line of symmetry. So I will be picking one point here and guide. So again, make sure ortho is on. So that's 1.5, enter. Guide your cursor going right. That's 5.6, enter. And guide your cursor upwards. That's 0.86, enter. And you can either snap here, or we're going to use the option close for line command. Okay, there you go. And for the distance, so it's 0.70 per vertical web member. Sorry for that. DI, enter. Okay, that's 0.70. Okay, by the way, we are still using the previous file. As I have mentioned before, we're going to use one file for the entire semester. I just spanned the drawing. Okay, these are our previous exercises. And of course, don't forget to quick save at least every 3 to 5 commands. Anyway, that's O, enter. We're going to change the distance. We're going to make it 0.70 this time. And select this. And since we are going to offset it with multiple numbers, so we're going to use the multiple option for convenience. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and until matapos po. Okay, and enter, and enter. And that's again trim, or we can just simply click the trim icon on your modify panel sa may ribbon. Click, and then trim, or select objects to trim, or you can just pick one point here, and there you go. make sure na careful lang kayo sa pagse-select. Kasi baka there might be some objects na hindi dapat natitrim pero natatamaan ninyo. Okay? Anyway, that's L, enter. Okay? And this is our web members. We will be picking 1 and 2. Enter. L, enter. 1 and 2. Enter. Enter to repeat your previous command. 1 and 2. Enter. Another enter. 1 and 2. And hanggang matapos po siya. Okay, and just type MI for mirror. So pick from here, going lower right, enter once you're done selecting. Specify first point of mirror line. We can pick from here, tapos yung second dito, or pwede din naman from here, we click here, and click here. And enter. Okay, so that's it. Save your work. Thank you for listening.